Hey, my name's Graeme, and I'm the founder of Cube Ministries, and I'm applying for the Communications Fellowship from the Club of Rome. Um, I have this cube from my family, and I have some things to share. Um, Basically, with the cube, um, we're working to craft, connect, and uplift. Um, and the idea is to teach people to capture interest, involve, and inspire. Uh, our cube and its code can be used by the Club of Rome for sustainability and systems change and systems thinking. Um, my history is in 2012, I wrote a letter to Buckingham Palace, and I got a response from His Royal Highness Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, and he graciously accepted this art, a black cube that I sent in the mail. That was just the beginning, 2012. Then we reached out through the Bilderberg group, and there was a cube, a black cube, and that worked. It was beautiful. More recently, I sent this physical cube to the Secretariat of State, the Vatican, and the Pope wrote back to me. He said the Secretary of State has been asked by His Holiness Pope Francis to express his gratitude for the gift sent to him and for the sentiments that prompted this thoughtful presentation. So there's the letter from the Pope. I'm a priest of Yod He Vav He, which means the five vowels. And basically what we're trying to do with this physical glyph, the cube glyph, is we're learning to communicate using a 22-bit code. And it's beautiful. Some people say it looks complicated, but it's actually quite simple. The idea is that if you can learn to communicate with a 22-bit glyph, you can empower new, emergently new civilization, reframe economics with youth leadership, international dialogue from our cube and its code. And so Cube Ministries can provide the critical template and software, and the Club of Rome can help us turn it into hardware and boots on the ground. So like wear a smartwatch that has the cube glyph on it. Fly the flag of the greater nation. And in Canada, it goes threefold flags. So I submitted these 3 flags to the Governor General of Canada. And those 3 flags are all approved. So turning software into hardware and boots on the ground. The boots, the places. So I wanted the Order of the Cosmic Ashlar to be a reflection of the Order of the Garter and to inspire broader community meaning and purpose. So we can join together to craft, connect, and uplift with the Cube Ministries programs, including the Greater Nation program and the Mahdi program. And so I keep my cosmic ashlars beside this celestial orb. And it's always a reminder that there is a watchful grand geometrician of the universe. And ultimately, I come from a family that was represented by the coat of arms of a dragon and a dog, like this. it's evolved to a lion and a unicorn. But this family has the publishing rights on some Holy Scripture. And what I thought was ultimately that I would publish the Holy Scriptures in Proto-Hebraic code. And so we've got Paleo-Hebraic fonts, Proto-Hebraic fonts, and visual binary fonts. Three font stack that can unite the Holy Scriptures. Threefold web font stack for including Proto-Hebraic. And so that's basically what I want to do. I want to have Proto-Hebraic as digital literacy and access for all the people of Earth. And yeah, and so you can come to me and I can get you the font stack and the Cube browser software, the Scribe software, which is translation, transliteration, and then a blockchain wallet will all be connected so that you can earn Gridcoin for being an ecotourist, just like me. I thought about, I went tree planting for 3 years, and on my third year I realized I wanted to start an ecotourism industry in Canada to protect old growth forests and save the forests and the rivers and work towards sustainability and net zero, blockchain economy for blockchain water and blockchain electricity. I think blockchain is the big thing, and it's big data, and we can use it blockchain with the Cube codes. Peace.